Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an index page to a folder in Squarespace. This is particularly useful when you're organizing your website's navigation structure and want to group related pages together under a main folder. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your Squarespace dashboard smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. From here, simply click on the website where you want to add the index page to a folder. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site, giving you access to all its pages and settings. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the option labeled Website. This section is where all your site structure and page management happens. Once you've clicked on Website, you'll see several options appear beneath it. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is the central hub for organizing all the content on your Squarespace site. At this point, the system will display all the pages you currently have on your website. You'll be able to see both individual pages and any folders you've created to organize your content. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already worked in this section before. For this tutorial, let's say you have a folder named More, and you also have an index page that's currently named Content. Your goal is to add the content page inside the More folder so it becomes part of that folder's structure. This is a common way to create nested navigation and keep your site organized. To accomplish this, all you need to do is open the More folder by clicking on it. This will expand the folder and show you any pages that are already inside it. Now comes the simple part. Click on the content page, hold down your mouse button, and drag it directly into the More folder. You'll notice that as you drag the page, the interface will highlight where you can drop it. Release your mouse button once you see the page positioned inside the folder. And that's it. You've successfully added an index page to a folder in Squarespace. The content page is now organized under the More folder, making your site's navigation cleaner and more structured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.